Buster is telling Cozy Coupe a story. Once upon a time, the adventurers Buster and Cozy were driving through the deep wood. They came to a castle where King Terry lived. They were very excited to see him. But then, the evil villain Bandit locked Terry in the jail cell and stole his crown. Buster and Cozy wanted to help, but Bandit shut the drawbridge so they couldn't get in. Oh dear. But then, Buster had a plan. First, he got a big log. Cozy hopped on one end, and Buster bounced them high into the air. Cozy flew right over the castle walls. Bandit chased after them, but clever Cozy got away. Cozy was up on the wall. They pulled the lever and opened the drawbridge again. Bandit was angry and chased after Buster. But Buster tricked him. He climbed onto the log and, boing! Buster flew over the castle walls too. Bandit tried to chase him, but Cozy shut the drawbridge again. Splash! Bandit ended up in the castle moat. Buster and Cozy rescued King Terry and gave him his crown back. Then Terry put Bandit back in jail where he belongs. Hooray for Buster and Cozy! The end. What a great story that was.